Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Michelle. I'm 40 years old from Daram, Samar, Philippines. I'm married. I have three loving sons, aged 18, 17, and 11 years old. I am high school graduate. I work as domestic helper to Saudi Arabia for 2 years from November 21, 2023 to December 13, 2025. I serve one couple and three children aged 10, 7, and 3 years old. My duties is taking care of children, cooking, laundry, ironing, and cleaning. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for the studies of my three sons. And I'm willing take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. To my future employer, I hope you choose me as your housemaid. I am hardworking, honest, obedient, patient, trustworthy, and responsible. I promise to be a good housemaid, and I promise to prioritize my job, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you and more. Sir, thank you, Mom and Sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.